If you run a furniture store and feel like your online sales should be higher, but you're already spending money on ads, then this video is for you. Because most stores don't actually have a traffic problem. They have a lead capture and a follow-up problem. And today, I'm going to show you how to turn your existing traffic into more sales without spending a single extra dollar on ads. If we haven't met yet, I'm Dair. I scaled my own furniture store to over $9 million in sales. And now I help other furniture business owners grow using smart systems and strategy. And without further ado, let's dive in. Here's what I see all the time. You run some ads, people visit your website, maybe they check out a few products, and then they leave, and that's it. Most stores just hope those visitors come back on their own, but hope is not a strategy. Most people won't buy on their first visit, especially not furniture. It's a big decision. They want to measure their space, talk to their spouse, maybe see what other stores are offering. Sometimes they just get distracted, but that doesn't mean they're not interested. It means you need a system to stay in touch and follow up when they are ready. So how to fix this? Let's start with step 1. Capture leads before checkout. Most stores only ask for someone's email or phone number at checkout. That's too late. You need to ask for it earlier while they're still browsing. You can use a pop-up offering free delivery, a quick quiz that helps them choose the right sofa, or a downloadable guide like 5 layout tips for small living rooms. Just make sure it's simple, relevant, and feels like a fair exchange. Once you have their contact info, you can follow up properly. And that's where most stores fall short. Step 2. Set up a simple email and SMS automation. A lot of stores collect emails, but they don't send anything helpful. Maybe one automated "thanks for signing up" message, and that's it. Instead, here's a better flow. Email 1. Thanks for checking us out. Here's what makes our store different. Talk about fast delivery, great service, quality materials, anything. Email 2. Not sure what size or style you need? Here's a quick guide to help. Be helpful, build trust. Email 3. Our most popular picks this month. Show your best sellers with real photos and a soft call to action. Email 4. Need help deciding? Text us your space and we'll recommend you something. Make it personal. Invite conversation. This doesn't need to be perfect. Even a simple, friendly 3-email flow puts you ahead of 90% of stores out there. Step 3. Use retargeting ads to stay top of mind. If someone looked at your product on your site but didn't buy, you can run reminder ads and follow up them on Facebook and Instagram. And no, it's not creepy, it's smart. Use clean visuals and simple headlines like "Still thinking about your new sectional?" or "Complete your space this week and get free delivery." Add urgency. Add a reason to come back. These are low-cost ads that target warm leads only, and they consistently get some of the best returns we've seen. Step 4. Collect phone numbers and use SMS the right way. Email is good, but SMS often gets seen faster. That doesn't mean you should blast out text every day. Just use it for key moments. A card reminder, a weekend-only offer, a restock notification. Keep it short, friendly, and always get permission first. You'll be surprised how well one well-limited text can work, especially for high-ticket furniture orders. Let me give you a real example. We worked with a small store in Ontario. They were getting about 3,000 visitors a month, but barely 1 or 2 sales a week online. No pop-ups, no lead capture, no retargeting, nothing. We added a basic email flow, started collecting emails with a free delivery pop-up, and launched a $10 a day retargeting campaign. Sales tripled in less than 6 weeks with the same traffic and the same ad spend, just better systems. So here's the takeaway. You don't need to do more with the traffic you already have. Capture contact info early, send helpful follow-ups, run retargeting ads, and don't be afraid to show up more than once. Most people need a little reminder before they're ready to buy. If you want help setting this up, that's what I do. If you want help setting all of this up, that's what we do. You'll find a link below if you're curious. No pressure at all. I just hope this video gave you something useful you can act on today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.